Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile name or photo in Skool. So first head over to skool.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next click on your profile icon or the user menu icon. Then next is click on profile. Now from here, just click on the edit profile button and you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see an option where you can change your profile photo easily. Just click. Next is choose the photo that you would like to use, open it, and reposition it. Then once done, head over and click on save. So as you can see, the profile photo is now changed. Now to change your first name and last name, you can always do it by clicking on change name link. But a reminder, and you can also see a note here that you can only change your name once. So be careful and make sure that you use your real name. And once done, head over and click on change name. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!